People Plus helps entrepreneurs to start, build, and grow their businesses. So we have services from business registration, business coaching, mentorship, training, and we also provide virtual assistant services. We can help you in starting your business, registering your company or your business name in Jamaica. We do all the paperwork for you. We advise you on what business structure you should register. So we provide certain levels of services. We also help companies after registration to get their business bank account setting up. We help them with business coaching and strategy calls so that they are not just registered, but they at least have an idea of what to do next. In 2019, when I started, I was working at a corporate company, and I remember a friend saying to me that, Makide, I think you need to start a business because you have transformed this company and you should be out there helping other companies to grow. And I thought about it. It was in September, and I was like, business, not me really. But then I thought about it and I said, why not? Because at least I'm using what I'm passionate about and I'm helping other persons to grow their business. When I just started out, I had a lot of fears, I would say. I thought I wasn't good enough. I thought, who's going to buy my services? I'm this girl from Prospect, Clarinda, and like, I didn't go to those top schools or anything like that. But then having friends and knowing what you're about and knowing how passionate and how qualified I am, I like, but why can't I do it? Everyone else is doing it. Why can't I do it? And I believe that with God being my biggest push, it has been amazing. And it's not just to make money for us, it's really to see that their business is growing. It gives me pleasure to see and to get up to a text in the morning and say, hey Makida, guess what? I got this done, I got that done, I'm now doing this, I'm now doing that. That alone in of itself gives me the most joy. And it's something that I want to do for the rest of my life. I am really happy and passionate that I found what I love and I'm doing what I love.